ANN or artificial neural networks can also be performed using Rattle, that is the R data miner. So what we'll do is we'll select over here neural networks. Now you can decide how many hidden layer nodes do you want, right? So by default it is kept as 10 over here, and the model builder is nnet, right? There are a lot of packages in R to do this, and by default in Rattle this is the one which is kept. So we can just press and execute. Okay, so it has created the neural network models. So it is showing the weightage and the you can say the rule based node formation over here. Okay, so the weights, how much weights are allocated where and all those things, it's shown over here. Okay, it has done this in almost 10 seconds. Now if we do an evaluate over here, instead of this, if I keep it on the training data set, I don't want to see the score. So we got an area under curve of 0.5. That means right now the training which is done is not enough. That means we either may change we are running these which are not required. Let's execute and see. Okay, so 0.5. So let's go back and say to change the number of hidden node layers. So we have 33 variables, so let's make it 24. Execute. Just run the eval again. We're still getting the same results. So it's not giving us, so basically the neural network model in our data miner, that is Rattle, is not having a lot of flexibility. For example, ideally we should be getting the number of hidden layers, the number of nodes within each layer. When we get all these combinations, we can increase the number of layers. Right now we are not getting that flexibility over here, and so we're just increasing maybe just the nodes, and it's not having a good impact. So I guess the ANN used over here might not be able to give us the best of the results, right? So this is how we would be doing the ANN models with a restrictive option. Okay. Let's do one thing. Let's try to just score this for the ANN models, and yep, let's execute this and keep it in desktop. ANN, save. Let's just insert and see the pivot table. This is the variable actual. This is the neural net. So see, there is no yes class for the neural network model over here, because at 0.5 probability threshold value or the weight value, everything is getting classified by the neural network as a no. So we don't have the other class itself, right? On the other hand, if we go ahead and use the probability, right, then what will happen is that we'll have to decide the probability threshold value to cut off the data, right? So let's say we do this. Showing in the documents, we want it in the desktop. Save. So you'll get these probability values. Obviously you'll have to select a value, but I see that most of these are 0 or near 0. So the ANN models over here are not working. So we can use the ANN available in Rattle Miner for very basic stuff. Okay, so now that's all about the ANN part.